Authenticity is a collection of choices that we have to make every day. It's about the choice to show up and be real, the choice to be honest, the choice to let your true selves be seen. Brene Brown. Hello, entrepreneurs of the world. I am Yolande Wallace. Thanks for tuning in with us here again at Inspire Academy, where we develop the mind of the entrepreneur. Today, we will look at the topic, being unapologetically you, in relation to your happiness, your contribution to others, and fulfilling your purpose. Your growth starts now. The news of your soon arrival brought joy to your family. They wanted you. They prayed for you. The excitement they felt was filled with hope, joy, and happiness, the purest of its kind. Your mother, scared and unsure of how she would cope, felt your gentle movement inside her womb and was reassured that everything would be all right. Her whispers to God about you were different versions of, "Thy will be done." They gave God full control as they knew He had a purpose for you. And then you were born. Society's will be done. The moment you were born, society began telling you who you are. Your religion, your culture, your education, among other learned behaviors. And rightfully so. God chose you to be there as the lessons you would learn would lead you to your purpose. Vusi Tembakwaya, a South African venture capitalist, global business speaker, entrepreneur, and my public speaking inspiration, was light years ahead of his time when he said, "Society is but a system of normalized averages." It is my belief that God made us in His own image. Therefore, normal and average do not begin to describe who you are. You were never created to be average. God gave you gifts that are unique to you, and they are the solution for a greater cause. There's a beautiful quote. The author is unknown. It says, "The surest way to happiness is to lose yourself in a cause greater than yourself." I want you to take a moment and think back to a time when you used your God-given gift to help someone. You had a gut feeling and made the call. You were the answer to their prayers. A time when your gift was the difference between life and death. A time when your gift restored hope for another. A time when your gift was the inspiration someone needed to be authentically themselves. You were fully in the service of others. You felt immense joy when you realized your sacrifice served a greater cause. You were fulfilled. You were truly happy. Your choice to be a contribution to others using your God-given gift is the source of true happiness. Happiness is a choice. Your gift is a solution that will give others hope. The profit you will gain from being unapologetically you is living a life of purpose. The more people you serve, the more happy you will be. I will leave you with a quote by Dennis Waitley that says, "Happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, earned, worn, or consumed. Happiness is a spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. Please like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know. Remember to subscribe so that each week when we post a new tutorial, you will be notified. Be bold, be great, be unapologetically you.